Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Prepping for Christmas. Today we are inside my master bedroom and we're trying to get everything done so we can just go ahead and decorate and just make the house feel nice and festive. I know you guys are ready for some decor, right? So let's go ahead and deep clean as well as decorate my bedroom for the holidays. I'm going to start off by removing all of my bedding. I'm washing all the sheets and everything as well as my duvet insert so we can have it nice and fresh and clean when we put it away to add our thicker insert, our winter insert into our duvet cover. That's going to keep us nice and warm and toasty over the holidays as well as the winter, because I don't know about y'all area, but right now here in Germany it is cold, and I'm not talking about autumn cold. I'm talking about winter cold. Yes, it feels like it's already winter. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out my duvet insert for my winter insert. Next, we're going to be dusting. I'm going to dust down all of my furniture pieces as well as the wall. Now, when you guys are dusting or wiping down your lamps, make sure you get those light bulbs because they do hold dust as well. So that is your reminder to clean off your light bulbs. Now that the ceilings and the furniture pieces are dusted off, we can go ahead and vacuum the floor. Now I'm going to be moving my bed, even though this bed is so heavy, y'all. I'm going to be moving my bed by myself so we can clean up any little dust bunnies that might be hiding, and we just want the room to feel nice and fresh and clean. I really want a rug in this room, but I have not found one that I absolutely love, but I'm still looking. Maybe this Christmas I'll be able to find one. Of course, this would not be an official deep cleaning if I did not clean my windows. Please note that I also did clean the radiator as well as the baseboards, but for some reason I don't have that clip. But note that those things were also cleaned off as well. For my windows, I'm just using window cleaner, and for the frame of the window, I'm just cleaning that down with some hot water with vinegar and dish liquid, the same thing that I'm cleaning the radiator as well as the baseboards with. This little equipment right here is one of my favorites. It is a steamer, or a I want to say a steam mop, but it comes with a lot of different parts. I use this to clean my bed. If you guys are an OG, you guys know that I whip this out quarterly to clean my bed down because my bed is all cloth. The entire bed is made out of cloth or upholstery, so I have to make sure that it stays really fresh and looking its best. So I like to go ahead and just use the flexible handle to clean this bed, but it also does come with an extension for mopping, for steam mopping, as well as steaming the shower tiles and cleaning it off like that. So this little thing does a lot. I will try my best to link it down below if I can find it, because I absolutely love this. The only thing I wish is that it was cordless. But other than that, the cord is very long and you can reach a very long span without having to relocate your socket or your plug. To clean my bed, all I add is distilled water with a couple drops of my tea tree oil, and that is it. I just use the tea tree oil for the scent so it smells nice and fresh, but of course you don't have to add an oil to it at all. I've been doing this for years and nothing has happened to my machine, so I think it's okay to add a couple drops of oil. When I was done with the bed, I just went ahead and attached the mop part and steamed mop the floors. And I did this all over the house since I had it out. I said, why not just get the entire house done? I do this whenever the floor feels and looks like grimy and it needs an extra bit of TLC. I don't have an exact amount of times I do it. I just do it whenever I think the floor needs it, or if we've had high traffic of outsiders coming into our home. To clean down my nightstands as well as my lamps, my picture frames and whatnot, I'm going to use that same window cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner, but it's also for the windows specifically. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that down, as well as my television. So for my TV, I just use the napkin that's already damped and wipe my TV down. I never spray my television because I don't want to mess it up, because these things are not cheap. Even though Black Friday is like right here, that would be an excuse to get a nicer TV, huh? Scratch that. Just kidding, guys. So I'm just going to use that to clean down my nightstands as well as the television and the mirrors. Y'all, I have a few of these natural beeswax candle, and when I say they smell absolutely amazing, they smell amazing. They're made by a company called Sense Exquisite. I will link it down below for you guys if you're interested. It is a black owned company and the owner is just amazing. So if you guys are interested, check the description box down below. In my bedroom, I don't like a lot of color. As you guys can see, I like my bedroom to feel nice and just simple and calming, but I did want to change up my look a little and go a little brighter. These pillowcases, y'all, they were for $3.99 at Kick. Okay, y'all know I always go into Kick. I always talk about Kick, but Yosk was having a 70% off sale on all of their bedding. When I said we ran, we ran. So this throw was originally about 60 euros and we got it for 18 euros, as well as our new what is this mattress? It's not a mattress cover, but anyways, let's say mattress cover because I cannot figure out the word right now. We got that for a steal. The original price was like 500 and something and we got it for like 2 something. When I tell you we ran and we didn't walk, we ran, we didn't walk. Their furniture, their pieces are always quality. I absolutely love that place. I have a few items from them. I wish I can shop there all the time, but your girl just be balling on a budget, okay? I wish y'all could feel the quality of this throw. I mean, it's a waffle kind of throw blanket and it just feels so nice and it looks so nice. And we did buy it in the king size because we have a king size bed. When I say this was perfect, y'all, I absolutely love the look of my bedroom. I decided to go a little brighter because you guys know I like to keep it moody, but I wanted to go a little brighter just to try something different, and I am in love. I hope you guys are too. Let me know down below. And also, if you have not subscribed as yet, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell twice so you're notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. And comment down below. Y'all know I love chatting it up with y'all, okay? Like this video if you liked it. And I will see y'all in the next one. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.